Before you get swept away by the gold-plated glitz and patriotic branding, stop and ask yourself, are you really buying a luxury timepiece or just paying for the hype of a famous name? GetTrumpWatches.com claims to offer high-end Trump-branded watches ranging from $800 fighter models to the astonishing $100,000 Victory Tourbillon. But after digging deeper, things start to look a lot less presidential. First, the domain registration is a major red flag. It's cloaked in privacy protection, with no clear business identity or verified address. That's not typical of legitimate luxury retailers. Then there's the product imagery, which appears to be lifted directly from AliExpress and other low-cost marketplaces, suggesting these watches might just be mass-produced generics rebranded with a hefty markup. Even more concerning, the site's social media links are broken or lead nowhere, and their customer service is either non-existent or completely unresponsive, leaving buyers with no real way to reach out for help or support. On top of that, reviews across Trustpilot and Reddit are mixed at best, with the majority leaning heavily negative. Complaints of poor quality, suspicious shipping delays, and buyers feeling duped are common themes. Several users even suggest the watches are cheaply made, knockoffs dressed up in fancy political packaging to justify luxury prices. While we didn't find undeniable proof of scam operations, the overwhelming lack of transparency, inconsistent customer experiences, and shady website behavior all point to a business that's more focused on capitalizing off the Trump name than delivering true luxury. So before you invest hundreds or thousands into one of these watches, consider this a serious warning. Not everything branded Trump is built to last. And in this case, you might just be paying a premium for a promise that doesn't deliver.